it exactly. There we go. So I'd be a little bit closer to Betty. You can feed Betty there. That's it. Perfect.
Yeah.
They don't have to be at arm's length from one another, but just that they're expecting the treat is going to happen further from one another than usual. That's it exactly. Perfect. Good. It's kind of a 9-second thing, so. Good. Perfect. Okay, are we ready to go?
Yeah.
That's it. Perfect. Well done. Good job.
Into bed.
So you might just have to put it closer to Betty's nose to get her there. That's it. Or even drop it in the bed for her to get.
Into bed.
Good.
Here, Betty. Into bed.
Good dogs.
Good girl.
If you need to.
Into bed.
Good. That's it exactly. Well done.
Into bed.
Good.
Into bed.
Good.
Hey, babes.
Now,
You ready?
so the doorbell's going to go, let's go into
Into
bed.
bed. Into
Good
bed.
job. Well
Into bed.
done. Well
Good
done.
girls.
So let's move away again. And maybe holy Maloney.
Into bed.
Good.
Into bed.
You just drop it there for Betty if you need to.
Yeah. I'll actually just drop it.
Yeah. Can sometimes be easier. Sometimes worried dogs don't want to lure a whole lot. They want to
Into bed.
move themselves. That's it exactly. Well done. Really nice.
Into bed.
Good job. Your timing is really, really good. Well done.
Good.
Helps us a lot.
Into bed.
Good.